Hello, my wonderful readers. Welcome to Reading with Spencer, where all stories matter. Open your listening ears and let your imagination shine. Our book for today is My Bum is So Noisy by Don Macmillan, illustrated by Rose Kennard. If you have a copy, please get it and let's enjoy reading. Are you ready? Let's go. My bum is so noisy. My bum brings me shame. It makes weird noises and I get the blame. Hooting and tooting, clicking and ticking, humming and strumming, clanging and banging, the beat of a drum, all made by my rascally bum. My bum behaves in a most disorderly way. Such bad manners when folks come to stay. It makes a phone ringing, sweet sounds of singing. We hear whistling and chirping and burping and slapping and popping and squeaking when auntie is speaking. Then a crash and a boom and uncle leaves the room. My cousins though, 4 of them boys, all want a bum that makes lots of noise. And while they try hard, it seems very strange that each of their bums has a limited range. Not a horn-blowing boat, not a musical note, no snorting, no snoring. My cousins are boring, but my bum makes sounds beyond belief. And my cousins are failures to auntie's relief. Poor mom and dad. What can they say about having a son that behaves in this way? They breathe, they sigh, but they hold their heads high. And amid all stares, the fuzz and the tease, they say, "Here's our boy. He's fine as he is. But I need a new bum, a bum that is quiet, a bum that is good and won't cause riots, a bum that doesn't honk in the park, a bum that won't scare dogs with their bark, a bum with no sirens, a bum with no squeals, a bum with no sound of fast screeching wheels, no slapping, no clapping, no rapping, no zapping, no blipping, no banging, no clanking, no hanging. But wait! Somebody's coming, somebody's running, and then I hear aloud and so clear, "We've found him! He's perfect! Just what we need. We'll sign him at once when all is agreed." And now, my bum is in the movies. I'm so proud. My bum makes noises, gentle and loud. Just the right noises to go with the story. Like big booming explosions to go with the glory. All my hooting and hollering has quite a following. I do splashes and splashes, collisions and crashes, each cough and each sneeze. All the while in the trees, the sound of tornadoes, the swarming of bees, all the waves rolling in, all the thunder in the din. Yes, my bum is the greatest, and here's the latest. My bum is famous. I'm known worldwide. I have the loudest, proudest, the most uproarious, victorious sound system backside. And that's the end of our story for today. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, and share as you interact with more stories down below. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for being here. Until next time, bye-bye.